Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 15, 2025 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong June 15, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, June 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 15, 2025, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, June 15, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of June 15, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.